What are the NYCLU's concerns regarding the congestion pricing plan endorsed by the City Council?
The NYCLU has taken no formal position regarding the merits of a congestion pricing plan per se, but we do have some concerns, and they're related to the nature of the plan. What this plan would do would create a massive video surveillance network around the perimeter of the congestion pricing zone for the purposes of enforcing payment. So the idea, as stated in the bill, is that information regarding license plate information would be captured so that payment could be enforced. However, what this infrastructure will do in operation will create a massive database of information regarding the movement of New Yorkers into and within the congestion pricing zone. Clearly, there are privacy implications of such a scheme. So we've argued that the bill should not be advanced, that the plan should not be put in place absent very strong protections of personal privacy. So for example, there ought to be some limitations on what type of information is captured by these cameras. It should be the license plate for purposes of billing, not passengers, drivers, passers-by, houses adjacent to the checkpoint for entering the zone. There should be limitations upon the time period within which this information can be maintained by the city. It ought to be destroyed immediately after billing is resolved. There ought to be constraints upon the ability of the city to disseminate this information to other agencies, for example. And finally, there ought to be an anonymous payment procedure by which persons can enter the zone without having their license plate videotaped and data banked, provided they've made the payment.